The last lesson is titled Rotations on a Coordinate Grid. You will be able to perform and describe transformations of points and polygons in the first quadrant of a coordinate grid. In this problem, we are going to rotate the polygon 180 degrees clockwise around point 3, 4. First of all, let's find 3, 4. 3 indicates our coordinate on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis. This is our center of rotation. Please note that the ordered pairs of the original image have already been completed for you. There are several ways to solve this problem. I will show you two different ways. Many students like the post-it note or scrap paper method. In this case, you're going to simply sketch the image, making sure to label each point. B, C, and D. Now on your desk, you're going to rotate your post-it note 180 degrees clockwise. Let's rotate it now. 1/4 turn is 90 degrees, and half a turn or upside down is 180 degrees. Now, note the position of A, B, C, and D. We notice that A is now at the top of the polygon, closest to our center of rotation. B, opposite of A, and so on. But how do we know how far away A should be from our center of rotation? We notice that the original image is 2 units away. That means that our new image should also be 2 units away from the center of rotation. A prime would be located here. Now you can see that B is directly underneath A. The line segment AB, is 2 units long. We would label this B prime. If you use the other method, you would consider each point as an individual point. For example, you might look at point B and notice that it is 1, 2, 3, 4 units away from the center of rotation. We know that a 180-degree turn will make a straight line. You can see here that B prime is 4 units away. Next, we can see that D will be on top and C will be on the bottom. You notice that it crosses through 2 units diagonally. 1, 2, and D prime would be here. This is confirmed because it is directly across, or 180 degrees across, from our original D point. Lastly, point C will be 2 units away from D and also directly across from our original C, C prime. Connect the points to form your new image. Now, pause the video and record the ordered pairs for our new image. Unpause the video to check your answers. Check your answers now. Let's try this next problem together. Rotate the polygon PQRS 90 degrees clockwise around point U. What are the coordinates of the vertices of the image? Rotations are tricky. Most students prefer to use scrap paper or post-it note method. In this case, let's try and sketch our image. It looks a little bit like a kite. Remember to label your points. Try this with your own post-it note at your desk. Now let's rotate that post-it note 90 degrees clockwise. Now you can see the position of each point. Note that our original image, point S, was 1 unit away from our center of rotation. Our new image should also be 1 unit away from our center of rotation. This point will be S prime. Now, how can we form the rest of our image? You may find it easiest to note the distance between S and Q. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Let's count 4 units from S prime. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be Q prime. Now we know from our post-it note that R should be somewhere down here. You'll note that R is 1 unit across and 1 unit down from Q. It will be located right here. R prime, and then on the other side, also 1 unit away, is P prime. If we connect those points, we have our new image. To complete this problem, record the coordinates of the new image. Pause the video and record your answers on your whiteboard. Check your answers now. Now it's your turn. Please complete pages 67 to 69 in your Jump Math